In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social media accounts in Hubspot. We all know how important it is to integrate our social media efforts with our CRM platforms to streamline communication and engagement. So let's dive right in and get those accounts connected. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. You'll want to open your preferred browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is an obvious one. You'll need to log in. Look for the login button, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your account. From here, we're going to navigate to the marketing section. So direct your attention over to the navigation menu. You should see an option labeled marketing. Click on it to proceed. Once you've landed on the marketing page, you'll see an option within this section that's dedicated to social media. Click on social. This is where all the magic happens in terms of connecting and managing your social media accounts through HubSpot. Great, you're doing fantastic so far. Now that you're in the social section, the next step is to create social posts. You'll spot the Create Social Posts button. Clicking on this will lead you to the interface where you can write and schedule your posts. But before we get into posting, we need to connect our accounts, right? So let's move on to the next step, which is to click on Connect Account. This button will allow you to link your various social media platforms to HubSpot so you can start posting and tracking engagement directly from there. As you move through this workflow, HubSpot will guide you through the simple steps to link each social media account. Just follow the prompts, granting the necessary permissions as you go. It's important to ensure that you give access to all features needed for HubSpot to manage your social media effectively. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully connected your social media accounts to HubSpot. Now you can manage your online presence much more efficiently. Take some time to explore the social tools features like scheduling posts ahead of time and analyzing your audience engagement. Remember, integrating your social media with HubSpot not only saves time but also enhances your ability to monitor campaign effectiveness across platforms, leading to more strategic planning. Thanks for following along and happy HubSpotting.